Welcome to the Pro Tools Setup Guide for X Repeater. In this quick video, we'll cover everything you need to know about setting up and using X Repeater in Pro Tools. Let's get started. To use X Repeater in Pro Tools, make sure you've installed the AAX plugin format. If you haven't already, download the installer from the Sturgis website, select AAX option during installation, and restart your computer when finished. If this is your first time using third-party plugins, you may want to refresh your plugin cache. Consult the manual for your DAW for instructions on how to do that. To load X Repeater in Pro Tools, start by opening your session and selecting the track that you want to process. This could be an audio, instrument, or aux track. Navigate to the Insert section of the track and click on an empty insert slot. From there, go to Multi-Channel Plugin, Harmonic, and select X Repeater. The plugin interface will open automatically. In newer versions of Pro Tools, you can also use the search function to quickly find X Repeater, and it will appear in the list. Keep in mind that the plugin menu might look different depending on your preferences. Pro Tools allows you to modify the plugin menu layout, so your list may vary from the default setup. There are two ways to record your X Repeater performances: automation and MIDI. Let's start with automation. To manually enable automation for a parameter, first open the plugin and click the Plugin Automation Enable button in the top menu bar. This opens a window showing all available parameters for the plugin. Add the parameter you want to automate, such as stutter speed or pitch shift, and click OK. Next, go to the Track View selector for the track where you enabled automation. From the drop-down menu, select the parameter you just added. This will display the automation lane where you can draw points to create evolving effects. Alternatively, on Windows, you can hold Ctrl and the Windows key and Alt, and then right-click on the parameter you want to automate directly in the plugin interface. Once selected, head back to the Track View selector and choose the parameter's automation lane. Please note that this shortcut does not work for the pitch or time signature menus, so you'll need to use the manual method for those parameters. You can automate multiple parameters in separate lanes, giving you precise control over complex performances. Now let's set up MIDI control for X Repeater. This allows for precise hands-on experimentation and is ideal for live performances. First, create a MIDI track and assign its output to the audio track with X Repeater. To do this, select the audio track, go to Individual Targets, and then choose X Repeater Channel 1. Next, enable Track Record on the MIDI track. Open X Repeater and decide which parameter you want to control. For parameters like stutter speed or pitch shift, click the Assign button, then press a key, move a knob, or adjust a slider on your MIDI controller to map it. For other parameters, right-click on the parameter you wish to control and select MIDI Learn from the drop-down menu that appears. This links the parameter to your MIDI controller. MIDI is the recommended way to use X Repeater due to its time precision and accuracy. Once you've dialed in your settings, save them as a preset for future use. Click the Save button in the plugin, name your preset, and access it anytime from the drop-down menu. And that's it. You're ready to use X Repeater in Pro Tools. For more tips and tutorials, check out our YouTube channel or joeysturgistones.com. Happy mixing!